Everybody, a new week, and we're going to bring you guys along on our adventures and show you what we're up to this week. But Andre just went up to our garden and got some more guavas. I have quite a few, and I have some more in outside that he has to bring in. I'm making myself breakfast. What's inside is not olives, it's ghee butter that Andre does for us. That's what it looks like, and I like to use that for frying up anything that I'm frying. I have 3 eggs that I'm going to beat and do an omelet, and that's going to be my breakfast today. Mia has her breakfast already. Say hello, Mia. Say hi, everybody. Mia's had her breakfast already, and I'm going to be making my omelet, and I like to add quiche Saint-Georges, and I have that here as well. And once the omelet is almost done, then I will go ahead and add the cheese to it. All right, the cheese has melted. I'm just going to go ahead and take it out and have that with some fruit and a nice chai tea. I love my chai tea. When I go back to Canada, got to buy some more chocolatey chai. All right, enjoy, everybody. Yeah, come in, baby. You're enjoying your time outside? Of course. I've already had breakfast. I'm on to my snack, which is a yogurt. I like this make mocha, and it's natural. Oops. I add some peanut butter to it. I got to mix it all good, and that's my snack because us women in menopause, we need a lot of protein. So this is my way of getting my protein in. But I use the all natural peanut butter, just peanuts, no sugars or additives added to it. And that's what I choose for myself. You can choose to do whatever works for you. But that's my snack, protein on top of protein. All right, everybody. And we'll see what else we're doing. Take care. Hello, everybody. Once again, welcome to our channel. And I've just taken out some ribs so we can cook some ribs today. But I wanted to show you guys this, an orange from our garden. It's so nice to know where the fruit comes from and that it is healthy and that there was no chemicals used for it. So our first orange this year, we're actually able to pick one, which looks amazing. Can't wait to have it. But we are trying to grow our little homestead slowly but surely, and Andre is doing such a good job with it. Even Miss Mia loves the sun. It's coming in. It's a beautiful day again today, which is really good. We enjoy these wonderful days. Have all the windows opened so we can air the room out para já o quarto. E a Mia, of course, ela sabe o que é bom, solinho. And Andre's on cooking duty. What are you cooking?
The ribs.
Oh, they look good. A little bit more, right? Nice and tender. What did you season it with?
Garlic, wine, salt, and a bit of vinegar.
A vinegar, right? Yeah, you always like to add vinegar. And you made some coleslaw. It looks really good. Tasty.
I hope it tastes good.
And this time you put some yellow peppers in it, right?
Yes.
And I'm frying up some inyams. The rest of the inyams that we had left over from the other day. Just gonna fry that up. And that's gonna be our lunch today.
Lunch/dinner.
Yeah, lunch/dinner, because I probably won't eat anything else today. And it's such a nice day that we should go out and enjoy the sunshine, no?
Maybe you see.
Maybe we'll go out. But thanks for helping me with the cooking. I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
All right, enjoy everybody. Bon appetit.
Okay, bon appetit.
For the wine, of course, some olives, like I said, the coleslaw. And the yams are almost done, honey. They look really good, no? Nice and crispy. I'm gonna turn it off. Nice and crispy, the yams all done. I just got to plate them. And everything's almost ready. Just waiting for the ribs. And wishing everybody a good day. Hope you guys are all having a good day this far.
Yeah, I am. Grape juice, vitamin V.
Vitamin V, he says. What is that? Vitamin V?
Yeah.
Vitamin V, everybody.
English is the vitamin W.
Yeah, that's right. Vitamin W, Portuguese, vitamin V.
Yeah, exactly.
Miss Mia, why are you hiding? She's hiding under the table there. I'm not sure why.
No,
She's waiting for food. Just wanted to show you guys Andre's ribs and how nice it looks. Delicious. Yum, yum. All right. We are here at Brico Market and we are picking up some items that we need because I have another project for Andre. So stick with us and I'll show you guys what the project is, but we are picking up the items that we need. He's always has a project. I'm always giving him projects. Mais projeto para o André. E vamos buscar coisas que a gente precisa. Essa loja aqui é muito boa, é ao lado da casa cheia e tem tudo que a pessoa precisa para fazer obras em casa. We've got really nice faucets if you're looking into faucets. I like this one here. Really neat. I'm telling Buddy I have another project for you.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Gotta finish my first.
No, well, that's why you're here, to pick up the items that you need for the project.
Oh, this is already ongoing project.
Oh, this is an ongoing project, but you just got to finish it. You think you'll find the items you need here? If not, we can always go to Leroy, no? All right, so if we can't find it here, we'll go to Leroy. Really nice stuff. We also need to get a door. We'll see if we can find that here. And they have all your building needs here. Muito giro. Vamos lá então. Ai, o chão. Ok, então, oh, esse chão aí é lindo. I like that.
A garrafeira no chão não precisava ser madeira, podia ser.
Podia ser assim também, é. Ok, vamos lá no Leroy então? Vamos. Okay, so what did you end up getting here?
A few screws, a few anchors for the shelving. And that's it.
And how much did that cost you?
$280.
$280, wow, really expensive.
Screws are cheap.
Now we have to go find the brackets though, right? We're gonna go to Leroy. We were just here at Brico.
Yes.
And we're heading down to Leroy. Let's go.
Construindo um prédio novo aqui nos Arrivos. 3 floors.
How do you know it's 3 floors?
Tá ali o desenho.
Oh, okay. That's right. That's where we're at to go buy the brackets. Hopefully they have it. You've already started working on the project, so we'll show them what you're going to be doing. And we'll show them the finished product.
It'll be a while.
No, it won't be a while, honey, because I want it done, please. And they have a lot of good stuff here too. If you need kitchens, they design kitchens, and they pretty much, just like the other store, have everything you need for your renovation needs. The island's getting better for having products available. Look at how beautiful. I love these. Those are not bad either. Really nice stuff that they have, but I gotta go ahead and catch up with Mister because I'm gonna be distracted. We should go get the stuff that we came here for. All right, let me see if that's really nice. Oh, I like this shelving idea too. That's where I'm gonna go right now. Eu também vou lá para ver se a gente acha as coisas que tu precisa. We found the brackets, right?
Huh?
You found the brackets?
Yes, I did.
Oh, those are nice ones. They look nice and strong. Bem fortes.
Yeah.
And now we have to look for stain, so I can stain the wood or the shelf. And they've got quite a bit of selection here. All right, I guess we'll leave everybody here as we pick out our stain now.
Isso aqui é exterior?
Yeah, eu preciso para exterior mesmo.
Não, interior.
Oh, yeah, interior, é verdade. É verdade. All right.
Okay.
Say bye to everybody. Bye, everybody.
Tá aqui, ó.
Like I was saying, we went for brackets and came out with paintbrush, a roll,
Paint, stain.
and stain. So we can go ahead and stain the shelving that you're going to be putting up. That's going to be the project that Andre is going to be working on.
It's busy now.
Your another project for you. Okay, on the way home, look at this traffic.
Tá busy.
It's hora de ponte. It's almost 5 o'clock. That's why people are getting off work and going home.
Rush hour.
Rush hour, exactly.
4:45.
Almost 5, yeah, 10 to 5.
Spending money.
Spending money because I want you to start and finish that project, so I can have
Eventually.
so we can go ahead and I can have a functioning kitchen out there
I said soon.
sooner.
As soon as possible.
As soon as possible. That's right. All right, we'll show you along the way what Andre's working on and how it turns out.
Yeah.
All right, everybody.